Hello friends, as you know, this is Home Decor channel, and today we are bringing you new ideas of home decor. And this is about decorating your home in black color. And we tried to collect ideas for different rooms, for living rooms and bedrooms, and trying and join dining. And we tried to collect some unique ideas and black washrooms, and black is such a beautiful color that creates a unique touch of art to everything. You can choose black walls or black curtains against rust setting of your home, or you can choose plain white walls, and you can choose black furniture, or you can choose some black planters against the whole white setup, and you can choose black decor material like vases or decoration pieces against white backgrounds, and it will pop up and it will look just beautiful and amazing. Or you can use white wooden racks for black frames of pictures, and black walls itself look very beautiful, and you can choose white frames on them. You can choose a whole black wall, and you can choose different planters on it, or you can choose the black color in your library where you can keep different color of decoration pieces in it, and you can choose it in your kitchen too, where you can keep your crockery of white color against black, and in bedroom too it just makes amazing look. And chandeliers in black definitely are a good addition to home decor, and black planters and black articles of and black bathrooms are such a beauty that you can choose your uh, containers for keeping shampoo or hand wash. You can choose them in black or in white, and in different contrast with the colors of wall. And your study room or your living room, you can choose the curtains in Versace black, and you can choose a complete uh, black color for walls and floor, and you can make it pop with some lights so it doesn't become very dark. And you can choose black for your dining room too, but then you have to choose your lights wisely. And even in black you can choose beautiful lights or chandeliers for your dining room, and your black tables and black vases create just a magical effect where you can choose white crystal on them, and you can keep some beautiful flowers inside them. And if you like our content, and please subscribe to our channel.